పాల్గొంటారు ఎంతమంది వస్తారు?
స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా. అయ్యో ప్రమోట్ అయింది. ఏమని చెప్తారు ఫస్ట్?
So good evening, welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. So welcome to the 10th class Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, even NCERT and CBSE board classes. Actually, we have been discussing quadratic equations. Today we will discuss some more word problems or verbal problems regarding to the quadratic equations. Okay, so let's have a discussion on that one. So now the 16th question, let me write the question first. All of you look at the screen. A motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water. It takes 1 hour more to go to 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, this is the question, right? So thank you. Fine. Okay, 3 and longer leg is 9. Good. Right. Thank you. Very good. Right, Vijay Swarupini. Right. Thank you. So now you see the question. A motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water. It takes 1 hour more to go to the 24 kilometers upstream than to return the downstream to the same spot. Downstream also 24 kilometers. Find the speed of the stream. That means find the speed of the water stream we need to find out. Voddi Bunny, welcome. So now first how to solve this problem is, first of all, so our aim is to find out the speed of the stream. So let us assume that the speed of the stream be x. Then for the speed of the boat go to the upstream is equal to, actually in addition to 18 we need to subtract x, 18 minus x. So along with the stream, down the stream, the speed of the boat becomes 18 plus x. So now the time taken to travel 24 kilometers to the upstream is, that can be evaluated. Time is equal to distance by speed, so that we get 24 by 18 minus x, we will get it. In the similar manner, the time taken to return to the downstream, that is 24 kilometers upon 18 plus x. So if you find the difference, 18 difference of the time is 1 hour difference, 1 hour more to go to the upstream. So that's why we can write for example, t1 is the time taken to travel to the upstream and t2 will be the downstream. Then t1 minus t2 becomes 1. Substitute and simplify. You will get a quadratic equation. If you solve it, you get the x value. That is nothing but the speed of the stream. So this is the plan. So let us execute this plan now. So now the solution. Let the speed of the stream equals to bx, that means x kilometers per hour. Next, speed of the upstream, speed of the boat in still water. In still water, if the water is not have any movement, then it's called still water. The speed of the water boat in still water is equal to 18 kilometers per hour. So speed of the boat in upstream, speed of the boat during upstream also, that means upstream, equal to, you need to write 18 minus x. Speed of the boat downstream, that means 18 plus x. 18 plus x. Thank you Anush Prasad. So now let us find out the time taken to go to upstream. See, this is t1, time taken. So here see, the time is equal to, we have the formula, distance by speed. Distance is equal to 24 kilometers. Speed to go to the upstream, that is 18 minus x. 24 upon 18 minus x. Next, let us say t2, the time taken to go to downstream to the same spot. Downstream equals to, distance is 24 kilometers, same up and down. This speed is 18 plus x. Now we have, according to the problem, we have t1 minus t2 equals to 1, or t1 is equal to 1 plus t2. So let us substitute. T1 equals to 24 upon 18 minus x. So minus 24 upon 18 plus x equals to 1. So now you need to simplify this one. Okay, go back to the next page better. So now we get LCM is 18 plus x multiplied by 18 minus x. So this will be 24 times 18 minus x plus 24 times 18 minus x equals to 1. See, this is a plus b into a minus b. This we need to simplify. 24 times 18. 18 4 ja 72. 36. 432. This will be 432. 18 4 ja 72. 36. 3. 432. Okay, 432. So now the 432 minus 24x plus 432 minus 24x upon 18 plus x into 18 minus x. 18 square is 324 minus x square equal to 1 we have. So cross multiplication takes place. 432 plus 432. This is 864 minus 48x, because minus 24x equals to 324 minus x square. That means we are going to frame a quadratic equation. So bring this side. So now what do we get? X square minus 48x plus 864 minus 324 equal to 0. So this can be written x square minus 48x, 864 minus 324. So how much you will be getting? This one is 0, 4, 540 you will be getting. So plus 540 equals to 0 you will be getting. Right, once again you will check it. 32, 192 and 24. 2, yes, 432, right. So now we need to solve this equation. What are the factors we need to find out now? 540 we can write 54 times 10. Next 2 times 27 times 2 times 5 you can write. Okay. Next this we can write 2 times 9 times 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, this is 18. 5 into 2 10 to 2. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 3 15. 15 into 3 30. 30 plus 18 is actually you will be getting 48. So that means 540 you can write like this. 540 equals to, we can write like this. So minus 30 multiplied by minus 18 and minus 48 equals to, we can write minus 30 plus minus 18. So this we can split like this. X square minus 30x minus 18x plus 540 equals to 0. So take x common out. What do you get? X minus 30 minus 18 common. Okay, minus 18 common. X minus 30 equals to 0. Now x minus 30 multiplied by x minus 18 equals to 0. Yes, good morning. So that means actually I will write the answer here itself only. x minus 30 equals to 0 or x minus 18 equals to 0. X is equal to 30 or x is equal to 18. So then speed of the stream. 30 kmph or 18 kmph. I think there will be somewhat deviation is there. Let us check our solution once again. Here the speed of the motorboat is 18 kilometers for in still water. Okay, 1 hour more to go to the 24 kilometers. X 18, 18 minus x. Okay, up to this one is correct. Okay, sorry. This is 24. Okay, correct only. This is 24 minus x is 1. Right. Up to this step. Wait. 24 into 18 plus x. Sorry. Here we did wrong. Absolutely wrong. Because I didn't observe. So check here we have the minus sign. So we have taken plus sign. That's a wrong. So here we need to write minus sign. Okay, let us do it now. So this is 24 into 18. 24 into 18 is 72. 432. Yes, 432 minus 24x minus 432. Yes, plus 24x. Plus 24x. Right. This will be plus x only. Plus x. 24 plus x. Upon this will be 324 minus x square equals to 1. So now 432 gets cancelled. We have 48x upon 324 minus x square equals to 1. See the cross multiplication. 48x equals to, what do you get? 324 minus x square. You bring this side, you get x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. Right. So now let us find out. This is correct equation. See, minus 324 you can write like this. 18 into 18. Okay, first for a while. Minus 18 into 18 write down. This is minus 2 into 9 write down into 2 into 9 write down. This is what we can write. 48 we need to get it. Am I correct now? Once again, minus 2 into 3 into 3 write down into 2 into 9. Okay, 3 3 is 9. 9 into 2, 18. Okay, let us go for formula method also, no problem. Let us do formula method. Okay, so that's why let us do formula method. Here a equals to 1, b equals to plus 48, c equals to minus 324. First find discriminant d. b square minus 4ac, that is 48 square minus 4 times 1 times c is minus 324. So if you simplify this one, you will be getting 3600. You can check it now. So x is equal to formula minus b plus r minus root d by 2a. So minus 48 plus r minus root 3600 upon 2a. 2a means 2. Okay, so now this equals to minus 48 plus r minus 60 upon 2. So we get x is equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2, or x is equal to minus 48 plus 60 upon 2. 60 minus 48 is 12. 12 upon 2, this is 6. This equals to, this will be negative, minus 108 by 2 is minus 54. Since x is the speed of the stream, it cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So therefore, this we need to consider this one only. We need to neglect this negative sign. X is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the stream. Rishik Reddy, welcome. Okay, let us move to next question now. Now the 17th question. 17th question. In a class test, the sum of Mounica's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more than or more in mathematics, and 3 marks less than in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. This is the question. All of you look at the screen, note down the question. Just try to understand the question first of all. See, in a class test, the sum of the Mounica's marks in mathematics as well as in English is 30. If she got 2 marks more than in mathematics and 3 marks less than in English, at that time the product of her marks would have been 210. Then find individual marks. Her marks secured in mathematics as well as English need to be evaluated here. So first let us solve it now. See the solution. So now let the marks in mathematics be X. Thank you Swaruparani. So then you see the total marks is 30, then the marks in English equals to, you can write total is 30 minus X you can write, because sum of the marks or total marks equal to 30 in two subjects related to. Yes, Nana, Sandeep Reddy, thank you. 30 minus X. So now here see what happened now. If 2 marks more than in mathematics, so that means now 2 marks more than in mathematics equals to X plus 2. 3 marks less than in English subject. So that means 30 minus X minus 3. This becomes 30 minus 3 is 27. So 27 minus X. So after that, according to the problem, the product of these two equals to 210. According to the problem, after increasing 2 marks in mathematics subject, after actually decreasing 3 marks in English, the product becomes 210. So now, according to the problem, product of marks is given that is found to be 210. So that implies, so now X plus 2 multiplied with 27 minus X, we get 210. Now we are going to construct a quadratic equation with the help of this given data. So we get like this now. X multiplied by 27, 27x, x into minus x square, 2 into 27, 54, minus 2x equal to 210. Let it be simplified. 25x minus x square plus 54 minus 210 equals to 0. So 210 minus 54. Subtracting 54 from 210, what do you get? So 10 here we have 0 and also 10 we can write 1. 6, 5, 1, 156. Okay, 156. So now you will be getting like this: 25x minus x square and negative 156 equals to 0. Multiply with minus sign, you get x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Now you need to solve this quadratic equation. So as to find out x value, x is the marks scored in mathematics, and 30 minus x gives us marks scored in English, we can find out. So now you need to solve this equation. X square minus 25x, we need to check once again because it may, right, 1 minute, 156, right, 156 plus 156 equals to 0. Now let us write 156 is equal to factors and minus 25. So how could you write now here? 13 into 12 you try. 12 3 ja 36. Yes, 156. This we can write 13 times 12. But to get negative 25, this must be negative 13 plus negative 12. So also negative negative right now. Negative into negative positive. So that means this minus 25x can be written as minus 13x and minus 12x. So let us split this one now. So now this can be written x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equals to 0. From the first two terms, let us take x common. So we get x minus 13. In the similar fashion, let us take minus 12 common from the remaining two terms. So that we get x minus 13 equals to 0. Again, x minus 13 has been taken common out. We have x minus 12 equals to 0. So that means we get like this, x minus 13 equals to 0 or x minus 12 equals to 0. So we get x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. Here two cases we get it. Case 1, if x is equal to 13, x is equal to 13 means marks scored or got in mathematics. Mathematics is equal to x, that is 13. Marks scored in English equal to 30 minus x. So 13 need to be subtracted from 30. 30 minus 13, you will be getting 17. 13 and 17. This is one case. For example, instead of x is equal to 13, if you consider now, you will get 12. For example, case 2, you check here only. Case 2. Suppose if x equals to 12, then marks scored in mathematics equals to x, that is equal to 12 marks. So marks scored in English, obviously that is 30 minus x. So that is 30 minus 12. Okay, how much you will be getting? That is 18. These two cases will arise. Yes, using the formula also same answer you will get it. Now 18th question. Question number 18. एमपीसी को मैथ्स नहीं ला रहा है. एमपीसी को है, पूरा मैथ्स है, प्लेलिस्ट में मिल सकता है. अब देखो right, next question. The diagonals of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the short side if the longer side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. This question becomes the actually case study based question also in CBSE. See, it's a rectangular field. That means the field is in the shape of a rectangle. So here not diagonals, diagonal. So diagonal of a rectangular field, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the short side. Here it's not given. The length of the diagonal of a rectangular field has not been given to us. Here what is given? Some restriction is given. That is 60 meters more than the short side. For example, if the short side is x, the length of the diagonal becomes x plus 60. Longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. The longer side of the rectangular field will be x plus 30. Then the sides of the field we need to find out. Sides of the field means length and breadth we need to find out. So that means if you draw the rough figure for rectangular field, it is in the shape of a rectangle. So generally this is shorter side, say x. Relation what is given? Longer side. This is the longer side. Say this is b, breadth. Length is the longer side, L. L will be 30 meters more than the shorter side. That means x plus 30. Here b is equal to x. Breadth is equal to. Okay. What is given? The diagonal. This is called diagonal. This will be right angle. Absolutely. Say A, B, C, D. Okay. The diagonal length of the diagonal is 60 meters more than the short side. So that means the diagonal is D. You say D is equal to x plus 60. So now very simple now problem. It's a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle obeys Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. You get x plus 60 whole square is equal to x plus 30 whole square plus x square. After prior simplification, you get a quadratic equation. If you solve it, you will get the shorter length. Breadth will be obtained. If you add 30 to the shorter side, so that you will get the length of the rectangular field. So this is the process. So first let us write what we have discussed now here. Solution. Let the length of the shorter side be x. So that is here breadth becomes x. Then the length of the longer side is 30 meters more. That is x plus 30. Next, length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal will be 60 meters more than the short side. That means x plus 60. Okay. So now this figure is important for us. With the help of figure we can find out. See now, with the help of this figure, see, according to the problem we have, according to the problem, see, we have AB equals to x plus 30, AB equals to x, diagonal AC is equal to x plus 60. Using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, or apply Pythagoras theorem. So what does Pythagoras theorem state? So it states that we have AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So substituting AC square. What is AC square? What does it stand for? AC stands for x plus 60 whole square. Now AC square. AB square means x whole square, and BC square is x plus 30 whole square. Just simplify it. You will get like this: x square a plus b whole square plus 120x plus 3600 equal to x square plus x square plus 60x plus 30 square is 900. So this x square gets cancelled. So am I correct now? So this we can write like this now: x square plus 60x plus 900 equals to 120x plus 3600. The two terms of the right hand side need to be transposed to the left hand side. So we get x square plus 60x, yes, Swarupani, 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 equals to 0. So that means we are going to get like this: x square minus 120x plus 60x minus 60x, 3600, 900. How much you will be getting? Minus 2700 equal to 0. This minus 2700, you can write it minus 90 into 30, and minus 90 plus 30 is minus 60. So this we can write x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equals to 0. You can take x common out. X minus 90 plus 30 common, we have x minus 90 equals to 0. So we have x minus 90 common, x plus 30 equals to 0, you will get it. That means here x minus 90 is equated to 0 and x plus 30 is equated to 0. So we get x is equal to positive 90, sorry, this is r, or x is equal to negative 30. Since x is the shorter side of rectangle, it cannot be measured in negative sense. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So we need to neglect the negative sign. It's positive. Therefore, x is equal to 90. Now we can write. So, therefore, we conclude like this: shorter side is equal to x, that is 90. So 90, what is that actually? You need to write meters, 90 meters, units you need to write. So longer side means obviously length only. Longer side longer side will be 30 meters more than shorter side. Okay, motivational quotes. So that is x plus 30. That is 90 plus 30 equal to 120 meters. Or you can write like this. Length equals to 120 meters and breadth equals to, you can write like this also, no problem. You can conclude like this because dimensions of a rectangular field, width is equal to 90 meters. This has been completed. So diagonal, you may write it if you are interested. That will be 90 plus 60, 150 obviously, right? Diagonal also we can find out. Okay. So now the 19th question. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters. 24 meters. Find the sides of the two squares. This is the question. This problem is very, very important problem. A very, very important problem. It may be given for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 4 marks. This question even important for CBSE too. The sum of the areas of two different squares is 468 meters square. The difference of their perimeters is 24 meters. Then the sides of the two squares we need to find out. So that means you take a square. First square this is. You take another square. Square means length and breadth are equal. Say x. This is y. So obviously the area of this square becomes x into x square. This x. This will be y. This area will be y square. What is given? Sum of the areas. X square plus y square is equal to 468 given. And next, difference of perimeter. This perimeter of this one is, say, P1 perimeter means x plus x plus x plus 4x. The perimeter of this square is, say, P2, that is 4y. Difference 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. We can find out x minus y. So with the help of x square plus y square is equal to 468. With the help of x plus y is equal to 24. So you need to establish a quadratic equation in x, either in x or in y. You need to solve for x. Obviously you will get y. So both the sides of the squares can be evaluated. So this is my plan of action. So you can have your own strategy also. You can solve by your own method too. No problem. You can adopt your own method. So let us proceed for the solution. Let the sides of the squares of the two squares be x and y. Okay, but you need to mention all these given data also in the examination. That's very important. So now sum of the areas. Sum of the areas. Sum of the areas equals to 468 meters square. That means, that implies area of the first square is x square plus, sum means plus, area of the square of the second square is y square. X square plus y square equals to 468. We get an equation in terms of x and y. So now we shall move to x square plus y square is equal to 468, and next we need to take this keyword. Difference of their perimeters is 24. Perimeter is, first one is 4x, second one is 4y. So now difference of their perimeters. Difference of their perimeter is equal to how much given? That is 24 meters. So that implies perimeter of the first square is 4x minus perimeter of the second square is 4y equals to 24. So divide by 4. So having been divided by 4 on both sides, we get x minus y equals to 24. So you can write like this now. So y equals to x minus 24. Say equation 2. Now put y is equal to x minus 24 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? Since equation 1 is in the previous page, we have x square plus y square. That's a sum of the areas. Sum of the areas is given 468. So this is the equation 1. In any way, the sides of the squares are 12 meters and 18 meters. Okay, very good. So now we have, let us substitute this x minus 4 here. X square plus x minus 24 whole square equals to 468. Now after prior simplification, we get x square and plus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. We get x square and minus 48x. 24 square is how much? 24 square is actually 576 equal to 468. Now x square plus x square is 2x square and minus 48x plus 576, and take the, actually transpose 468 to this side. You will get negative 468 equals to 0. So now the 576, from 576 subtract 468. How much you will be getting? Here 8, here 0, you will be getting 108. Am I correct now? 108. So this can be written as 2x square minus 48x plus 108 equals to 0. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So after dividing by 2, what do you get now here? When we divide with 4, that 24 also divide by 4. 24 also divide by 4. Where? Ah, yes, exactly correct. I did mistake here. Yes. So very good. We did mistake. Absolutely correct. Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Vijayendra. It's absolutely correct. So very good observation, Vijayendra Krishna. So divide by 4 means x minus y, and 24 by 4 is 6. So we get now y equals to x minus 6. This is equation 2. Right. Put y is equal to x minus 6 in equation 1. So that implies x square plus x minus 6 whole square equals to 468. So x square, x minus 6 whole square is x square minus 12x plus 36 equal to 468. This will be 2x square and minus 12x plus 36 minus 468 equals to 0. 468 and minus 36, 2, 3, 432. So 2x square minus 12x minus 432 equals to 0. Okay, divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Right. Anyway, 12 meters and 18 meters. Let us see. X square minus 6x, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, and 6 equals to 0. So what are the factors actually? Yes, see, check it now. 18 into 12, you try. 18 minus 12 is 6. 12, 8 ja 96, 216. So that means actually here, see, you can write like this. So x square minus wait. Okay. Minus 6x minus 216 equals to 0. So now the minus 216 we can write like this. Product of the two numbers and minus 6 must be sum. What are the numbers? 18 into 12 is 216, but we need negative sign. Minus 18 plus 12. Here minus 18 right now. Okay, now we can write like this. X square minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 equals to 0. Taking x common out, we have x times x minus 18 plus 12 common, we have x minus 18 equals to 0. Now x minus 18 times x plus 12 equals to 0. So we have x minus 18 equals to 0 or x plus 12 equals to 0. Now what do you get? X is equal to 18 or x is equal to negative 12. Since what does x stands for? X is the side. Since x is the side of a square, it cannot be negative. It should be positive. So that's why it is neglected. So 18. Therefore, the side of first square equal to x, that is 18, we have meters. Side of second square. Side of second square is y value. What is the y value? Go back to the question. What is the y value? X minus 6. Y value is equal to y, that is equal to x minus 6. 18 minus 6, whose value is 12 meters. So the side of the first square is 18 meters. Side of the second square is 12 meters. This is the answer. Okay, thank you, one and all. So we shall continue in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Because these are the verbal problems, definitely we need to work out all these things. First, we need to read the data carefully and we need to frame the quadratic equation, and again we need to solve it, and final conclusion result need to be given. So this process need to be followed for the quadratic equations. Please all of you do remember this method. Thank you, Manada.